Check it out, guys. Here's what it sounds like when a couple thousand birds land in your yard or your woods. Oh my God. Are these starlings? This has happened before. I think these are like starlings, like the ones that will fly in these huge clouds. You know, they all fly together. Yeah, look it. Oh my gosh. This is awesome. Where are they going? Are they... I don't know what they're doing. They seem to be heading this way. Oh my gosh, they're landing on the walnut tree and knocking walnuts down. I better get out of the way. Yeah, look, walnut just fell. They're creating a ruckus. Wow, this is so cool. Where are they heading? They seem to be kind of, most of them are going that way. There's thousands of them. Wow, this is cool. Are these starlings, guys? They've got big tails. They're like black, or they look pretty much black, and they have really big tails. Long tails. Where are they heading to? They're heading that way, guys. If they all take flight, we might have to jump in the car and see if we can get a picture of the cloud. I'm sure you've probably seen videos of it. They kind of form like a cloud in the sky, and it morphs around and gets all crazy because they fly like kind of like a school of minnows swims. Oh my gosh, there's so many. Are they still over here too? It takes my whole woods to hold them all. Yeah, they're heading that way though. Where are they going? Do I have to chase them? Wow, look at that tree. Oh yeah, they're heading... Wow. Oh, there's a little bunch of them. Watch. Wow. Look. Here, they're coming back around. There's the weirdest sound coming from over there now. Oh my God, it's like a chatter of like thousands of them. They moved over there. How cool is that? Don't drop walnuts in my head, guys. There's a few in this walnut tree. Oh, yep, they're dropping walnuts. Most of them are over there now. Oh yeah, it's getting louder over here. It's crazy how many can hide. You know, if they weren't making noise, I wouldn't even know they were there. Listen though. Listen. Tell me you guys could hear that. That was the sound of all their wings. You have got to be kidding me. They're flying. I'm gonna jump in my car. GoPro, stop recording. Oh my gosh, I could hear them. It's too foggy though. Oh gosh. It's super foggy. Let me listen. The fog will lift soon, but they'll probably be long gone. Wow, look at how it's crazy out. What a cool morning to see that happen. A cool foggy morning. My camera turned off for some reason, but anyway, obviously I lost them in the fog, unless they're back at my house again. But wasn't that cool? We're gonna have to keep an eye out. I'll try to chase one of them clouds down if I ever see them. I'd say that's about the 4th or 5th time that they've landed in my woods like that. So maybe next time it won't be so foggy, and I'll record and then try to chase them down when they're flying, because that's really cool. Man, I hope that audio picked up the sound of their wings. That was crazy. There was thousands of birds' wings all at once, like whipping through the air, and it just made the craziest sound. It sounded like I don't even know, an alien spacecraft. All right, guys, I just thought I would record that because this is so cool. Maybe they'll be back at my house. Guys, I found some of the birds. Look at that. They're eating the corn. Here, I'll turn around and go back. Okay, I turned around. Let's see if this is only a part of the flock is over here eating corn. Unless they left already. I got my trailer hooked up because I'm going to pick something up, and then I thought I would check toward the lake, and then I found some of the starlings. I hope that's what they are, otherwise... Oh, dang it, there's a truck behind me. Did they move anyway? Here's some, look it. Wow, that's cool. Dang it, there's a truck behind me. Look at the deer. Oh my goodness. Oh. Be careful of the birds. There's a lot of birds. That was cool too. We got a wildlife adventure going on this foggy morning. Okay, I turned around again. We got to drive by the part of the flock here. Oh, there they are, look. Look it. Whoa. I scared them up in the trees. I bet as soon as hey, except that one. I bet they're gonna fly back down there. I scared them into the tree. Okay, we're gonna turn around one more time because I have to go back that way. And I have to go pick up something on my trailer, so... Oh my goodness. Okay, let's turn around one more time and see if they're back in the field. Okay, let's see if they're back in the field already. I just turned around real quick. They're probably like, this guy again. Okay, let's see where they are. No, they're in the tree still. Hello. Okay, you guys behave now. Don't eat all the corn. Oh my gosh, there's a big old bald eagle. Oh my God. This is amazing nature. I think that was an immature bald eagle. Is he trying to hunt these things? Oh my gosh. Nature. It is a naturey morning. Wow. I gotta look better at that bird. I think it looked like an immature bald eagle. Whew. It's probably gonna look small on the GoPro footage. Okay, we might have to continue our nature adventure once I pick up this item I'm buying today. Ooh, look at this. This is beautiful. All right, guys. Thanks for watching this quick video. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.